me again. I just want to show you something, okay? In case you guys don't know, I'm Persian and I love Mediterranean food. So I love my kebab, I love my chicken, I love my onions, I love my tomatoes, and I love my basmati rice, okay? But I can't eat it all because this is like really heavy, because Persian food, in case you guys don't know, is very heavy with olive oil, etc. So what I like to do is I like to use my containers to be able to make the perfect portion size meal for my lunch today. So I'm gonna be able to get my beautiful basmati rice and put it in a container. So you think it's not a lot, but actually it is a lot. So I'm gonna pack it in here. I love basmati rice, I'm gonna pack it. Then I put it in here. And I do the same thing with my lovely kebab. Yeah, that's it. Gotta have this. I'm gonna pack it right here. And that is actually like the perfect size. I have enough carbs, I have enough protein. I have the perfect amount that I need for my actual meal. So basically these are all the containers that I use for my portion control. I have my purple, which is my fruit. Then I have a green one for veggies, which I'm gonna use to make my tabbouleh salad in. And then I also have a blue container for my fats. And the great thing about this is that I'm traveling all the time, and I will be using these containers to not only portion it right, but also let it spread out throughout the week so we don't divulge and eat it all at once.